Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the Finder apps to search in on your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung's Finder lets you search your phone for apps, contacts, and settings and more, but in One UI 8, you can customize which apps or categories it searches through, making results more relevant. So to access your Finder, swipe up, tap search, and here you can go ahead and search anything. So let's just say I want to go ahead and search for my driving license. So I'll go ahead and search license. Now I can go ahead and do a search. So as you can see, it's searched in settings, searched in documents, in internet, YouTube, my files, the Galaxy Watch 6 Manager, TikTok, gallery, and many other things. However, I don't want it to search everywhere. So I can go ahead and tap on the X here. I can tap on the three dots and then tap on choose apps to search in. Now from here, I can go ahead and disable everything and I can go ahead and only choose the gallery app. Now I want to go back. I'll do my search again. So as you can see, it's only searched in gallery. I can go ahead and tap on this. And now I can go ahead and look at all the driving licenses which I've taken pictures of in the gallery app only. So it's a faster and a cleaner search results, no irrelevant apps cluttering your search, and this helps keep private apps from popping up. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your apps to search in on your Samsung Galaxy device.